Frontier opening bell Tuesday, the 15th of August. Get into today's market. Get a bit of a sense of where we finished off on Monday. The Nigerian market just about 0.18%, a very slight uptick, which was on the back of gains by Zenith Bank, by BOA and a few other companies. But again, Lafarge Africa, which is the third largest cement maker, moved up. That helped offset a bit of the sell down that was found in the banking space with Stanbic, Jitco, and Zenith Bank as well. A bit of a sell off to start the week on the banking side. The BRVM was up by 0.25%. The Egyptian market is 0.21% in the green. The Nairobi stock market was 0.74% in the red. The GSE was down by 1.06, led in the main by resources. The Nigerian market actually declined by 0.18%, led in the main by the banks. And then you've got the BOA Cement, which is the second largest cement maker, also in the red. Let's move on to today. Quite a have lots of to chat with the Kenya's government revisiting the whole fuel subsidy program in the country. There's a new arrangement for petrol pricing for the month of August, which has been announced, and folks are asking if the President Ruto's administration should tweak with the VAT of around 16%. There's a whole lot of scratching there for the administration in Nairobi. In the meantime, the central bank is looking to prop up banks that are hit by liquidity shortfalls. This morning, Equity Bank held investors and call and press conference virtually to speak to its first half 2023 earnings. Kenya and Tanzania's trade war cut imports by 30% over the past 7 years, while Japan has confirmed $1 billion upcoming investment in DR Congo. So take it a little bit further with the Dutch DFI FMO claiming about 29 million euros invested in Senegal and Tanzania between January and June. That's the first 6 months of the current year. Checking with Nigeria, the central bank yesterday says, acting governor says he met with President Tinubu on Monday and promised there will be new measures over the next few days to stabilize the Naira against the dollar. This morning, news came in that road exchange operators and the private market were quoting the Naira at 1,000 units to the US dollar. Is the lowest level ever in the history of Nigeria when the Naira hits 1,000 against the US greenback. The central bank, however, yesterday warned currency speculators has got measures that could incur losses for the currency speculators. We'll see what the new measures are over the next few days. They were not disclosed at that press briefing, a very brief press briefing at the Villa. The Debt Management Office also on Monday announced that its auction of 90 billion Naira FGN August Naira bond was oversubscribed to the tune of 312.56 billion Naira. Fuel queues are returning to some parts of Nigeria because there are speculations that fuel prices could go as high as 720 per litre in the next few days, according to Independent Petroleum Marketers Association. Togo was able to raise about 38.4 billion CFA franc from the West African Monetary Union market, while GCR ratings has given Sonantel, listed on the BRVM in Cote d'Ivoire, AAA rating. News also in this morning that Afreximbank has gotten a very strong rating from the Japan rating agency as well as GCR. Congratulations to Afreximbank and, of course, also to Sonantel. So what does it look like in Southern Africa? Quite a bit of MTN is selling minority stake in its $5.2 billion fintech business to MasterCard. Sasol, the country's big energy company, says its full year 2023 ended June. Profits slumped. The share price went down on Monday because of the problem with Eskom and logistics with Transnet and a few others within South Africa space. The Zimbabwe's Reserve Bank is introducing gold-backed digital tokens for daily transactions. Our Sonantel in Angola has launched a bond worth about 75 billion kwanzas via a public offer to support the National Oil Corporation. And Brussels Airlines says it's suspending flights to Angola because of the crisis in Niger Republic. There's a whole lot with international flights crossing over through Nigeria, through Niger Republic as well. So Brussels Airlines is cancelling those flights, by the way. There's a whole lot of costs associated with that crisis. The airspace in Niger is not safe at the moment due to the coup d'etat that we saw about 2 weeks ago. Let's take it out, look at the North African market. That's where it all started. With the Bank Al Maghrib saying that Morocco's dirham, that's the local currency, surges about 3.08% to the dollar and 1.09% against the euro between June and July. The country's automotive industry exports, however, soared to $11 billion last year. Morocco is one of Africa's top 3 auto exporters. Moody's has reviewed Egypt's B3 ratings. Ratings extension will be given to Egypt for the next 3 months. And we'll see what happens after 3 months as the President Sisi's administration continue to work on the country's macroeconomic with the devaluation of the Egyptian pound on the table. Tunisia's inaugurates new pilot development grouping for women in Jeddah. The idea is to support women who are into agriculture, planting tomato, onions, and a few other crops within that particular region of the country. The new program has been fully inaugurated, as now in place to support it. And that's about food sustainability. And sum it up for today on Frontier Opening Bell. That's the show. Have a great day, everyone, and see you soon.